Good morning, respected officers, teachers, and my lovely students. I am Shri Asit Vyas from MHB English School, Malwani, Malad West, PN Ward. Welcome you all. Students, yesterday we have learnt about angles and interior and exterior angles of a triangle. Then property of exterior angles of a triangle, and then we solve practice set number 21. So today we are going to solve polygon table that is in your textbook, page number 31, and then after we will have one online quiz. Okay, so ready? Let me share the screen. Okay, let's start. So children, these are our subtopics: polygon, its sides, triangles, and sum of interior angles, and quiz. So first, we will solve this polygon table. Okay, in your textbook, page number 31. Observe the table given below and draw your conclusions. Here, number of sides is given, nature of polygon is given, number of triangles formed in that polygon is given, and sum of the interior angles we have to find it. Okay, so let's start. First, you need to know what is polygon. These are the different types of polygons. A polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments. Here, poly means many and gon means sides. Polygon means many sides. Polygon का मतलब है एक से ज्यादा साइड वाला, यानी कि लाइन सेगमेंट से बना हुआ क्लोज्ड फिगर. ओके, क्लोज्ड मीन्स there are no gaps in the shape. Each polygon is given a name depending on how many sides it have. These names are derived from Latin and Greek language. Okay, the number of sides will be 3, 4, 5, or maybe 100 also, but it will still be a polygon. Okay, so our first polygon is triangle. Tri means 3. A 3-sided polygon is called triangle. So how many sides are there in a triangle? 1, 2, and 3. So 3 sides are there in a triangle. And how many angles are there in a triangle? 1, 2, and 3. 3 sides, 3 triangles. जितनी polygon की sides होती है, उतने ही angles भी होते हैं. 3 sides, 3 angles. Okay. Now, as you know that the sum of 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. How 180 degree? Why not 90 degree? Why not 360 degree? Why not 0 degree? ये 3 एंगल्स का सम जो ट्रायंगल में होता है वो हमेशा 180 डिग्री ही क्यों होता है? So let me explain through an activity. Okay, children, you can take a screenshot whenever you want. This is a triangle. If we cut the 3 angles of triangle like this, okay, cut 3 angles of triangle, and join all the three angles one by one as shown here. Okay, जैसे इस फिगर में दिखाया गया है ऐसे ज्वाइन करेंगे. How are the three angles formed? They are formed in a straight line. Yes. These angles are in a linear pair, straight line. Okay. So what is the angle measure of straight line? Yes, 180 degree. So if you add these three angles, means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. So we can conclude that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. अब समझे ट्रायंगल के एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री ही क्यों होता है? बिकॉज दे आर इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. यस, गुड. नाउ four-sided polygon is quadrilateral. Okay, how many sides are there in quadrilateral? 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. Okay, 4 sides in quadrilateral. And how many angles are there in quadrilateral? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, जितने sides उतने angles. 4 sides, 4 angles. Yes. So if we draw one diagonal line, okay, diagonal means line segment that join the opposite vertices. Yes, if we draw a diagonal line inside the quadrilateral, how many triangles are formed? Yes, 1 and 2. Okay, if we draw a diagonal between opposite vertices, quadrilateral splitted into 2 triangles. Quadrilateral में कितने triangles बन गए? 2. So how many triangles can be formed in a quadrilateral from one point? 2 triangles. Okay, so in quadrilateral, 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 triangles are there. What is the name of this polygon? Pentagon. Children, I have told you that each polygon is given a name depending how many sides it have. हर एक polygon का नाम उसमें कितनी sides है उसके ऊपर दिया गया है. So here penta means 5. Okay, in Greek and Latin language penta means 5. So how many sides are there in pentagon? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. Okay, and how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 angles, because number of angles are equal to number of sides. जितनी sides उतने angles भी होते हैं. Now, if we draw one diagonal from common point T to this point Q, and again from T to point R, then how many triangles can be formed in a polygon? 1, 2 and 3 triangles. Okay, so we can say that in pentagon 5 sides, 5 angles and 3 triangles are formed. What type of polygon is it? Hexagon. Hexa means 6. The number of sides of hexagon is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. And how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 angles. 6 sides, 6 angles. Okay, because we know that number of angles are equals to number of sides in a polygon. Okay, now if we draw one diagonal from the common point to this point and to this point and to this point also, then we will get how many triangles? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 triangles. So in hexagon, there are 6 sides, 6 angles and 4 triangles are formed. Okay, children? Now, next polygon. 7-sided polygon is heptagon. Hepta means 7. So how many sides are there in a heptagon? 1, 2, this is third side, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7. 7 sides. And how many angles are there in heptagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. And how many triangles can be formed from one vertex in heptagon? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in heptagon, 7 sides, 7 angles and 5 triangles are formed. Now, what is the name of this polygon? Octagon. Octa means 8. So how many sides are there in octagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 sides. Okay. And how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 angles. Because we know that sides and angles are equal in polygon. So 8 sides and 8 angles. Okay. And how many triangles can be formed from one vertex? From one vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 triangle altogether in heptagon. So we can say that 8 sides, 8 angles and 6 triangles are formed in heptagon. Okay. Children, in all these cases, did you notice there is a common relation between the number of sides and number of triangles in a polygon? Okay, let me tell you. The number of triangle formed inside a polygon is 2 less than the number of sides. Number of sides means n. n minus 2. n means number of sides. पोलीगन की जितनी भी साइड होती है, ओके, पोलीगन की जितनी भी साइड होती है उसमें से 2 माइनस करेंगे तो पोलीगन के ट्रायंगल्स का नंबर हमें मिलेगा. ओके, फिर से सुनिए. पोलीगन की जितनी भी साइड होती है उसमें से -2 करेंगे तो हमें नंबर ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स ऑफ पोलीगन मिलेंगे. Yes. For example, in quadrilateral, okay, how many sides are in quadrilateral? 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides are in quadrilateral. Yes. And how many triangles are there? 1 and 2. So 4 means number of sides n minus 2 equals to 2. Okay. So this is the formula. Number of triangles equals to number of sides minus 2. This is the formula. Okay, children? And number of sides means n. Minus 2 means n minus 2. So, note that if the number of sides of a polygon is n, then the number of triangle equals to n minus 2. Okay, I repeat. Note, if the number of sides of a polygon is n number के sides के polygon अगर हमें पूछा गया, then the number of triangles equals to n minus 2. Okay, so this concept is clear. Number of sides minus 2 equals to number of triangle in polygon. Okay, children, you can take a screenshot. Done. Now we move to sum of interior angles of polygons. Our first polygon is quadrilateral. So children, we all know that sum of interior angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Yes, 180 degree one triangle, second triangle is also 180 degree. So what is the sum of interior angles of quadrilateral? To find this, we need to know how many triangles are formed in a quadrilateral. So we can use this formula, n minus 2, number of sides minus 2. Therefore, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides minus 2, n minus 2, number of sides minus 2. So 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Yes. So sum of interior angles of quadrilateral equals to number of triangles into 180 degree. Here number of triangles are 2, 1 and 2 in quadrilateral. Yes. So 2 into 180 degree equals to 360 degree. So we can say that in a quadrilateral there are sides are 4, triangles are 2 and sum of two interior angles is 360 degree. Okay, ये फॉर्मूला आप लोगों को याद रखनी है n minus 2 नंबर ऑफ साइड्स minus 2. तो हमें उस पॉलीगन का ट्राइंगल का नंबर मिलेगा. Now, what are the sum of interior angles of pentagon? We need to know that how many triangles are formed in pentagon. Okay, so n minus 2 number of sides in pentagon is 5. So 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 1, 2, 3 triangles we get. Okay, so now we know that sum of interior angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. sum of interior angles of pentagon equals to number of triangles into 180 degree. Here numbers of triangles are 3 in pentagon. So 3 into 180 degree equals to 540 degree. So in a pentagon, sides are 5, triangles are 3, and sum of 3 interior angles is 540 degree. Okay. Our next polygon is heptagon. Hexagon. Sum of interior angles of hexagon. So what is the sum of interior angles of a hexagon? We need to know how many triangles are formed in hexagon. So n minus 2, that is number of sides minus 2. Number of sides in hexagon is 6. So 6 minus 2 equals to 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So number of triangle in hexagon is 4. We know that sum of interior angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. So sum of interior angles of hexagon equals to number of triangles into 180 degree equals to 4. Number of triangles are 4 in hexagon. So 4 into 180 degree equals to 720 degree. So we can say that in a hexagon, sides are 6, triangles are 4, and sum of 4 interior angles is 720 degree. Sum of interior angles of heptagon. Heptagon has 7 sides. Yes, and we getting 5 triangles in heptagon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because 7 minus 2 equals to 5. So the pattern which we are getting this number of sides in a given polygon minus 2 are the number of triangles. So we know that sum of interior angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of heptagon equals to number of triangles into 180 degree. So number of triangles in heptagon is 5. So 5 into 180 equals to 900 degree. Okay. Hence, we can conclude that in a heptagon, sides are 7, triangles are 5, and sum of 5 interior angles is 900 degree. Now, next, sum of interior angles of octagon. We need to know how many triangles are formed in octagon. 6. Yes, 180 degree ke 6 triangles. We know that sum of interior angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of octagon equals to number of triangles into 180 degree. Therefore, 6 is the number of triangle in octagon. So 6 into 180 equals to 1080 degree. So we can say that in a octagon, sides are 8, triangles are 6, and sum of 6 interior angles is 1080 degree. Okay. So children, we see that polygon with n sides, if we draw diagonals from the given vertex, it will divide the polygon in n minus 2 triangles. N means number of sides minus 2. And the sum of interior angles will be n minus 2 into 180 degree. Why 180? Because that is a sum of interior angles of one triangle and polygon with n sides. Have n minus 2 triangles. Okay. So the sum of interior angles of that polygon will be n minus 2 into 180 degree. In short, a figure with n sides, the number of triangles are n minus 2 and the sum of interior angles is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay. So children, here is the table, sum of interior angles in polygons. Please take a screenshot. This is the answer of your question, textbook, page number 31. Okay. First polygon is triangle and sides are 3. And triangle from one vertex is 1. Sum of interior angle measures 1 into 180 equals to 180 degree. Second is quadrilateral. Number of sides are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. And number of triangles from one vertex. One vertex से कितने triangle बने quadrilateral में? 1 and 2. So 2. N minus 2. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Therefore 2 into 180 equals to 360 degree. In pentagon, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. And triangles from one vertex, 1, 2 and 3. N minus 2 means number of sides minus 2. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Therefore 3 into 180 equals to 540. In hexagon, 6 sides are there and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles are there. Therefore 4 into 180 equals to 720. In heptagon, sides are 7. From one vertex, triangles are formed 5. Therefore 5 into 180 equals to 900. In octagon, 8 sides, 6 triangles. Therefore 6 into 180 equals to 1080 degree. N-gon, polygon is there. Its name is n-gon. So the number of sides is n. And triangles from one vertex is n minus 2. Therefore n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay. So students, you must have, okay. Now this way we have complete our polygon table. Okay. Then you must have confused sometimes that how many sides are there in pentagon, and in hexagon there are 6 sides or 7 sides or 8 sides. Yes, many times you have confused. So let's solve your confusion. Okay. जैसे हमने कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री के स्पेलिंग में सी लेटर से लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे तो 9 बनता है, और ओ को हमने 0 कंसीडर किया और 9 0 90 बनाया, तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल 90 डिग्री का होता है. वो हमने देखा था ना. उसी ट्रिक के आधार पर हम लोग ये थोड़ा फन गेम करेंगे. सो रेडी फॉर फन गेम? यस. सो लेट्स सॉल्व योर confusion. Okay. Okay. Now children, you all know how many sides are there in triangle. 1, 2, and 3. That you know. In quadrilateral, you also know that 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides are there. This much you very well know. Okay. Now, in pentagon, how many sides are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So, in pentagon, 5 sides are there. In the spelling of pentagon, the first letter is P. Yes. And 5 sides. 5 को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? 5. तो 5 अगर हम इंग्लिश में लिखेंगे तो उसका भी फर्स्ट लेटर क्या आ जाएगा? P. Yes. So P, 5, pentagon. Yes. P, 5, pentagon. P, 5, pentagon. You have to remember only the first letter of P of pentagon और 5 का P. Yes. Pentagon का P letter and 5 का P letter. Yes. जितनी साइड्स होती है उतने एंगल्स भी होते हैं. तो 5 sides and 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. Okay. Now move to hexagon. Hexagon में how many sides are there in hexagon? 6. 6 sides. Okay. So in the spelling of hexagon, third letter is X. Hexagon. X. And in 6, third letter is also X. Six. 6. So you have to remember letter X in both of this. Okay. Hex 6, hexagon 6. Hex 6, hexagon 6. Okay. X. Hex 6, hexagon 6. मजा आ रहा है? Okay. So how many angles are there in hexagon? जितनी sides उतने angles. 6 sides, 6 angles in hexagon. Okay. Got it? Now, heptagon. Heptagon has how many sides? 7. Seven. 7. And what is the spelling of heptagon? Heptagon. In heptagon, second letter is E, and in 7 also, second letter is E. So E, hepta 7. E, hepta 7. Okay. So how many sides are there in heptagon? 7 sides. Hepta 7. Okay. Hepta का E और 7 का भी E. So we have to remember this E letter in heptagon. Okay. Now, children, do you know this aquatic animal? Yes, it is octopus. And how many legs are there? Legs has octopus? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octopus has 8 legs. And here is the octagon. Octagon has also 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 sides. And 8 angles also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? So, in the spelling of octagon, first 3 letters are O-C-T. And in the spelling of octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S. First three letters are OCT. So octagon, 8, octopus. Yes, octopus जिसके 8 legs, octagon जिसकी 8 sides. Octopus, octagon. तो जब भी आप octagon spelling देखोगे तो आप क्या याद रखोगे? Yes, octopus. और octopus के कितने legs? 8. So octopus, 8, octagon. Octopus, 8, octagon. Yes. So remember children and repeat after me. P, 5, pentagon. Yes. Good. P, 5, pentagon. Very good. Hex, 6, hexagon, 6. Yes, very good. Hex, 6, hexagon, 6. Very good. Hepta, 7. Hepta, 7. Very good. Octopus, 8, octagon. Yes. Octopus, 8, octagon. Yes. So मजा आया? याद रहेगा? So how many sides octagon has? Yes, 8. You have to remember octopus and its 8 legs. Yes, how many sides octagon has? 8. Yes, so you can take a screenshot also. Okay, children? Good. So here are the real life examples of triangle. Construction work, flag, in pyramid, in hanger, pizza, yes, house top. These are the examples of triangles. 3 sides, tri-side means 3 sides. Okay. Now this is the real life examples of quadrilateral. In kite, note, this signboard. Even our mobile phone is also the example of quadrilateral. Yes, this cup, handkerchief, floor ki tiles designs, book, blackboard, wire mesh. These are all the examples of quadrilateral. Okay. Real life examples of pentagon. Football, dog house, keychain. And students, if we cut the lady finger, you can find the pentagon shape in that also. Okay, you can experiment in your home also. Cut the lady finger and see the shape of this pentagon. Okay, and this is the army, American Army headquarters. Its name is Pentagon because its shape is in pentagon. Yes, this is the army headquarters of America. This signboard has also the shape of pentagon. Okay. Real life examples of hexagon. In honeycomb, nut and bolt, in floor design blocks. Yes. Now, real life examples of heptagon. 7 days of a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is also the example of heptagon. This also. Yes, 7 sides. And the last is real life example of octagon. The signboard of stop. The shape of this stop board is octagon. Yes? You can see these examples also. So children, I hope you understand what is polygon, what are the sides and triangle and their measures of different polygon. So now it's time to test yourself. But children, today we are going to do something different. Yes, today you have to answer in online quiz. Remember, you have done this earlier also in LCM and HCF lecture. Same way, in this on your screen, in your mobile screen, one written question has come and below that 4 options are there. Question आएगा उसके नीचे 4 options होंगे one by one. Okay? You have to click on correct answer. आपको 4 ऑप्शन में से करेक्ट आंसर के ऊपर प्रेस करना है, क्लिक करना है, एंड देन क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट बटन. गो टू सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. ओके, नेक्स्ट बटन दबाने से आप सेकेंड क्वेश्चन पे जाओगे. सो ऑल टुगेदर देयर विल बी 5 क्वेश्चंस एंड आफ्टर गिविंग 5th आंसर you have to press the submit button. ओके, 5th आंसर के ऊपर क्लिक करने के बाद आप सबमिट बटन को प्रेस करना है. एंड इन द लास्ट when all the submission is over, I will share the result. So are you ready for online quiz? Yes. So on your screen, online quiz is there. Yes. Students, remember you have to read the question carefully and then press on correct answer option. Okay. So first question is pentagon has dash sides. Pentagon. Okay. So option A is 4, option B is 5, option C is 6 and option D is 7. Yes, you have to select correct option. Okay, if you selected the answer, then press next button. Next button press करोगे तो second question आएगा. Okay, so the next question is how many sides octagon has? Octagon has. Okay, options are A 5, B 6, C 7 and 8. D is 8. Have you pressed on correct option? Then press on to the next button. Okay. Now the third question. Read carefully, children. If you draw one diagonal line inside the quadrilateral, how many triangles are formed? क्वाड्रिलेटरल की फिगर इमेज करो, उसमें एक डायगोनल ड्रॉ करो. Then how many triangles are formed? Think and select the right answer. First option is 2, second is 3, third is 4 and fourth is 5. Quadrilateral, how many triangles? Yes. Press on next button. Now the question is hexagon has dash angles. Hexagon. Okay. Options are A 6, B 4, C 7 and D 8. Done? Hexagon. How many angles are there in hexagon? Good. Good. So go to next question. Now the last question is, every triangle has dash exterior angles. ये हमने कल के लेक्चर में किया था बच्चों. ट्रायंगल के टोटल कितने एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स होते हैं? एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. योर ऑप्शंस आर A 10, B 6, C 9 and D 8. Come on children, think and then press on to the correct answer. Done? I want more children. Yes, yes, very good. Yes. Now press on submit button. The blue button, submit button, press on it. Have you all submit your answers? Yes. Only 47 participants are submitted their answers. Rest of the students, please submit your answer. Come on children, please submit your answer. Okay, now I am counting till 10. Okay, then you have to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now stop. Okay, now I'm sharing the result. Yes, children, very good. Pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. Yes, 68% students have give correct answer. Yes, very good. Pentagon. Very good. And how many sides octagon has? Very good. 8. Octopus. आपने बराबर याद रखा children. Yes, 89% children are given the correct answer. Very good. Now, the third question. If we draw one diagonal line inside the quadrilateral, how many triangles are formed? Quadrilateral. उसमें अगर हमने एक डायगोनल ड्रॉ किया तो कितने ट्रायंगल बनेंगे? 2 triangles. Yes, 38% students have given correct answer. Good. Fourth question was hexagon has dash angles. We all know that sides and angles are equal in the polygons. So hexagon has 6 sides. Therefore, hexagon has also 6 angles. Yes. So 6 is the correct answer. And 62% children have pressed the correct answer. That is 6. Very good children. Good. Now the last question was, every triangle has dash exterior angles. Very good. The answer is 6 and 55% children have given the correct answer. Yes. So These are the answer. This is the result. So children, enjoyed today's lecture? Yes. Very good. Very good, Ritika. Yes. Yes. Pratiksha. Good. Have you enjoyed this online quiz? Yes. Good. Wawa, Samruddhi, Shehjan, Arman, Bushra, Bilal. Very good. Good. So, children, today's our session is over. Okay? So, stay at home. Stay safe. Goodbye. Keep learning and thank you very much. Okay? Bye, children. Bye.